How to unmute stories on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm exactly going to show you how to unmute stories that you muted on your Instagram profile. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get straight into it. Open up your Instagram and then let me first show you by muting a account on Instagram. To mute stories, you simply tap the three dots on the top right of the story and then you can tap on mute. Now after you muted the stories, you won't be able to see the stories on your profile. Now you need to search on the search tab that account. You can also straight enter if it appears on your feed right here and open up their stories. Now after you do that, it's the same process. Tap on the three dots on the top right and then tap on unmute story. And just like that, you unmuted a story on your Instagram profile. Now if you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gotta be all for today. Thanks for watching.